Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Sob Squad, and in today's video we are going to be sandblasting the rear subframe on Jake's 9.3 Aero. In order to do that, we've gotten a sandblaster, some medium, we got the compressor tangle hooked up. I'll show you that in a later clip. But once that's done, it's going to be down to the bare metal, all the rust removed from that, and we're going to put a fresh layer of paint on that to protect it from the elements for many years to come. And track abuse, just hooning around, and then from there we're going to do some more suspension work after that is done, and we have a nice solid platform to start on.
Yeah, no, I'm just getting all the rust off this thing. Gonna try out this cheap little Harbor Freight sandblaster, put some PSI to it and see what it does. This thing been trying to make it a little bit nicer. Kind of a rust bucket at the moment, but we're gonna try to fix that today.
Yeah. Okay, so basically how this is going to work is we're going to take the sandblasting medium and it loads up into this, and you hook it up to the air on that little gun right there with a compressor here, and then we're just going to blast the underside of the subframe all through here. So as you can see, frame's a bit rusty, but hopefully the sandblaster can do the trick. So we've run into the first issue. We already have a problem. We gotta run up to Ace. There, we gotta get an adapter for the tank, like the hose on the tank. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. So you gotta go grab one of those real quick.
Thanks, fuck.
First, you put the cheese in the grill. Let's see if this works first.
Is it coming out? Seems to be working.
Alright, yeah, this works a lot better.
Joey, look at this, let's see this test piece on the arm.
I'm just gonna zoom in so I don't have to sand circle it.
It was just working, and now it's not.
Got the whole suit. The whole suit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you don't want any of that shit fucking flying at you.
No, I don't want this shit.
It's just a cheap little thing from Harbor Freight, but I mean, hey, better to be safe than sorry, you know?
Yeah, I'm saying safety first, baby.
Yeah.
We OSHA.
OSHA gang. Man's looking like he just came out of the fashion show for fucking like Prada or some bullshit. Out here looking like Willy Wonka in the chocolate factory. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we cooking? We need to cook. Alright, so what are we grabbing?
Oh, what is this? Vlog? This ain't no vlog. Get the fuck out of here, Do we have goggles?
It can't just all be B-roll of just blasting.
It's all B-roll, dude. B-roll or nothing, dude.
You got the face shield.
I need fucking goggles, bro. This shit's like silica dust, bro. I'm gonna get cancer.
Yeah. Probably should find some goggles.
No.
So we have gotten most of the rust off, and we've applied the like the rust prevention gabagoo all over. So next step after this is to paint. So how was that install?
Pretty ass.
You want to explain, because I don't have a clip of the fucking bullshit there.
All the bolts broke, and I thought I was gonna have to cut it all open and weld some shit in, but it turned out to not be that bad.
Jake just got the damn rear calipers on, rear brakes, all painted up nicely. Lucas,
Yep, I definitely didn't scratch the shit out of them.
getting the undercoating on. Well, is this undercoating or is this just paint?
It's just paint.
Okay.
It's just paint.
But
I mean, it's you're coating the underneath of the car with paint. So technically speaking,
it's
undercoat.
It's expensive ass tractor paint. It counts.
Yeah.
And I cleaned the underside of the car. So.
Okay. So after that, it's got to put the exhaust on right there, back on, and then Jake wants to paint these front calipers to match, just black again like the other ones. And then after that, car is good to get put back on the ground and given a wash after all that sandblasting crap on the side there.
Oh, wait a second. Shit. Get shit in my eyes.
Yeah, we love to see it.
So what do you whack? You just like trying to push it forward?
Yeah, trying to get it to go forward. Ready?
Yeah.
No, not at all.
It's going. Got another half an inch. A little bit more. There we go. That's good. Appreciate it.
Yep.
It's very dusty under here. You know, I got all the sand.
Yeah.
That's all my eyes and shit. I can't fucking breathe.
Welcome to my fucking life, bro. I got
Yo,
rust in my fucking dick.
This is nice right here. You know, you got that dump right by the heat.
Yeah. That
Hey,
burn was definitely there before.
It's called a heat shield for a reason, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Nice. You want me to use the highest quality hardware here?
Well, the clamps, it actually, okay, it actually came with really nice band clamps, but they didn't fit, so
right.
you make it fit with
You make it work.
You make it fit with these really shitty AutoZone clamps. You know, I say shitty, but like these things have gotten me out of fucking every.
I mean,
Hey man,
if
they
they
last on
work.
my Saab for a couple months. They should last a couple months on here too, you know?
No, they last longer than a couple months. Actually,
My thing is also fucking beat the fuck up, so.
Actually, know what I'm kind of know what I'm doing.
come on, you son of a bitch.
You gotta get that top side back a little more.
No, it's just that the U thing is bent, so. Can I see that hammer?
Yeah. There it is.
Oh, you can see. Well, not from your side, but you see my wiring job I did for the valve.
Oh, it goes up by you.
So
put
it
it
goes
on
up
the,
by this fuel rail.
Yep.
Goes all the way up.
Yep.
Crosses. It goes through the frame, over the exhaust, out the frame, and then in through the side skirt.
I mean, I
Actually-
think you did pretty seamless, to be
Yeah,
honest. I like
honestly, dude, it worked out pretty fucking
Yeah.
good. I'm not gonna lie.
it. It's kind of how I thought you were gonna do it.
Yep. I put it like there's these kind of holes.
Yeah.
But like up there, and I just kind of fished it through.
Yep.
Worked out pretty well. But we'll have to see how it holds up after a couple road trips.
No washers on those. Just fucking send it.
No, bro.
The rust holds it itself, you know? Over time. The only thread locker I use is Hopes and Dreams.
Right.
Bro, this headlamp is fucking nice.
Yeah.
Ah!
There you go.
This is a Harbor Freight sponsored driveway.
Yep. Hey man, don't knock it, you know?
Harbor Freight sponsor me.
Dude, if they're not sponsoring Jordan.
Yeah, I got no chance.
On, we got no
I got no chance.
Wait, they don't sponsor Jordan?
No. He's got all their like rainbow colored sockets and shit. He's like, I love
put that on for
I
me?
love them.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a bitch.
Well, bro, you have it fucking hung up way too far.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Just make it work.
I got it. I got it because I got the steez, bro. You already know the vibes.
And then this, you just send her home as tight as you can go, you know, bend the fuck out of it. Son of a bitch. Because the nuts they give you are so shitty.
Yeah.
Just, they pop off.
And that is going to do it for today's video. We were able to get the rear shocks and brakes in with a little hassle, as well as getting the car's rear end rust-free and painted. In the next video, we're going to drop it on the ground and take it for a test drive. Remember to subscribe to keep it updated on this build and the others going on the channel, and to see what happens next. Take it easy. Bye-bye.